Alright, so I'm going to show you quick how you remove your CIS injectors on these. You need a tool, looks like this. I got mine from a place called Shelly Products. I'll put a link to that in the description anyway. So basically what you want to do with this is this part goes around the base of your injector, facing like this, with this part facing towards the cab of the vehicle. And it has two slots. You want to get about at least a 18-inch flathead screwdriver to go in there, and then you pry it and it pops it out. And for the stubborn ones, there's two holes where you need to use two flatheads. Where my vehicle has been sitting for about 10 years, that's what I'm going to have to use. Most of you, if you do this, you'll probably have your valve cover on. And so if you have that on, you want to put a block of wood or something in there so when you pry, you're not prying down on your valve cover to damage it. But where I won't even be using this motor, I'm going to use this little thing here as my wedge. And then for this other flathead, I didn't have another one that was this long, so I'm just using a pry bar on it, which works too. So once you get that positioned, you just want to push down firmly. And just like that, your injector is loose. Also, if you do plan on keeping your CIS injection, if you're doing a motor swap or rebuilding your motor or whatever it may be, make sure that you label each one, because it's important that they go back into from which they came.